I'm Alex Biega.
And I'm Rob Kilgore with Compass in Boston.
Welcome to the Lucas, Unit 7A. Located on Shawmut Ave in the South End, this 33-unit luxury condo building was newly built in 2017. The Lucas offers modern conveniences such as concierge, direct elevator access, garage parking, a gym, and a pet spa.
One of my favorite features is the direct elevator access into the home. It includes almost 2,600 square feet on one floor, with floor-to-ceiling windows featuring spectacular views to the west over Back Bay, which offers beautiful sunsets. 2 outdoor spaces which are perfect for entertaining or relaxing complete the home. The popular open concept floor plan allows the kitchen, living, and dining to flow seamlessly. The perfectly designed kitchen offers a sub-zero refrigerator, Wolf double ovens and gas burners, externally vented hood, and large island with counter seating for 4 people. And the gas fireplace completes the living and dining areas. The king-size primary suite offers a large custom closet as well as in-suite bath with heated floors, step-in shower, and soaking tub. All 3 guest bedrooms are true size and include custom powered shades from the Shade Store. Thanks for watching.